In this video, I'm going to show you where to find the default Wi-Fi name and password for your Huawei router. Most routers come with a sticker located on the bottom or side that shows the default Wi-Fi network name and password. This label contains a lot of important information about your router. This label indicates the default Wi-Fi name, which is usually referred to as SSID. The password or WLAN key can be located either beside it or underneath it. This is the pre-configured default Wi-Fi password. If a network name is visible and doesn't necessitate a password, it suggests that the network lacks security. To improve your security by altering these credentials, check out my other video. The link to the video can be found in the description below. If you're unable to locate your Wi-Fi on the network or if the password is incorrect, you will need to restore your Huawei router to its default factory settings. Instructions for this can be found in a separate video linked in the description below. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and share your feedback in the comments.